How to change someone's contact photo on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your phone. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Contacts. Then, tap on All iCloud. You can view all your contacts over here. Scroll down and tap on the contact you want to change. You can view the contact details over here. Go to the top right corner and tap on Edit. And then, tap on Edit below the profile photo. If you want to change the photo, then select Customize below. Then, tap on Poster. Here, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the media icon. Select the photo you want from here and then tap on Done above. Get a preview of the poster and tap on Continue. Tap on Continue again. After that, tap on Done. Following these steps, you can easily change someone's contact photo on iPhone.